This is an excerpt from Peter Ralston's new book, Ending Unnecessary Suffering, coming out in March of 2025. Again, only when you imagine that some experience is better than the one you are currently having does the one you are having become bad or negative. You could also imagine an experience that is far worse than what you are having, and then your current experience would be seen as pleasant or good. Notice the difference between these two perspectives. Also, notice there is no real reason to choose the first over the second. We should acknowledge that we most often dwell on what could be better, not what could be worse. In this way, we create suffering rather than feel privileged to have our current real experience. What's more, when we focus on what could be worse, we usually do it as a future scenario, generating worry and fear, and so create suffering once again. Why do you think we choose those activities rather than others? Why push the mind to generate stuff that creates suffering rather than satisfaction? I know, people say that it motivates them to achieve a better experience, and that's why they have to do it. But take a look. Does it work? Do you achieve a better experience by doing that? Very likely not, and certainly not constantly or most of the time. But you do frequently, if not constantly, suffer in this way. Think about it. Ending Unnecessary Suffering is coming out in March of 2025. To pre-order now, click the link in the description.